Okay, Millie, can you pick it up? Who's that? Is that your daddy? Is he home? Can you pick him up? Oh, you got one. Now get it in your mouth. Oh, I hear crunching. Did you do it? Is it in there?
She's got two in
You know what to do with them. Can you get them in there? There's one. Oh, it's falling off. Whoop, there it goes. I don't think there's been one in the mouth yet. Oh, going for the other stash. Oh yeah, Mill. Sweet job.
Get it in there.
Good girl.
Oh, she's got two in there, I think. Here, no, hold off a minute.
No, one fell. And there's only
No, I
five.
think there was another
One
in there.
fell.
I saw one though.
Not sure what to think, huh? Do you like it? Oh, going for more. Daddy put them far away. Remember? Yeah, then put it in your pincher grab. Good job. Use both hands. Nice, Millie.
Guess what, Chloe? It's the time we've been waiting for.
Oh, where'd it go? Good thing there's more.
Free Cheerios for Chloe.
Did you get it in?